If you've been looking for some braid styles to do on your little girl, don't worry, I got you. Keep watching. This video I'm gonna do a simple braid style. This is something that lasts like I think about a month in her hair, but the video, all of the clips weren't all the way clear, so I just pretty much like got to the chase, so you can just pretty much just watch the video to see the style and how I did it. So to do the style, I actually used edge control on the braids, so it made the braids look really good, but it did dry her scalp out. So if you're going to do cornrows or some kind of braids on your child's hair, I would suggest using some type of jam product or like some kind of like lock and twist type of product instead of an actual edge control. Just leave the edge control for the edges. All the products I use I'm going to leave in the description box. You can get them from my storefront. If you like this style, please like and subscribe to Shiloh's channel. And thank you guys for watching.